Good morning. Hello, Anushka and Prozul.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, today we're going to discuss about computer and its application areas. So, how do you use computer in your house?
I use computer to do my homework, to watch television, to watch some serials, etc.
And I use computer to play games, deal with my homework, and I use computer to watch YouTube, entertainment purpose, and talk with my relatives, friends by using different types of applications.
Yeah, I also use computer in my house. If I have to search for something, if I'm curious about something, I can just get the answer, get the knowledge while sitting at home. It's really easy for me to deal with my doubts. So we use it, and even small brothers, sisters, even children know how to use computer, and it has made a big impact. So in this context, how do your parents use computer?
My parents use computer to pay bills, to order something from garage, and to know the recipe of food.
My father used computer to talk with my relative grandmother, pay online bills, and entertainment purpose. My mother uses computer to see recipe of foods.
Yeah, I find it really amusing that our parents' life is drastically changed because of computer. When they were our age, they used to go to village, they used to do house chores, they used to run so many errands. But now, when we're young, we don't have to do all that, and our parents' life has been modernized because of computer. So, how do you think the computer has changed the world into a small global village?
I think computer has changed the world into a small global village because we can know the news of places which are very far from us by sitting in our sofa of our house, and we can talk with our relatives. For example, my mama was in a different country for foreign employment, and my mother used to talk with him by using Facebook.
And my uncle is in America, and he tell me that what is happening to America, and I can know the what happened there.
Yeah, I also use computer. There is social media, and I get to know a lot of things from other people. They spread news about the countries. Now we can know about what's happening in Israel, what's happening in Palestine, and what's happening throughout the world. And it has become really beneficial for the world. And I think the computer has become beneficial, especially for students who are eager to learn. The one who is eager to know about new things can simply search it on computer. So, in this context, how have you been using computer in educational field?
I have been using computer for clearing my doubts. There are many websites such as ChatGPT and so on, and there is YouTube from where we can know different things, which is very helpful for our studies.
If I don't know the answer of something like maths, science, I used to search in Chat GPT, and there will come answer, and I used to write.
Yeah, now you know that we can also read books online, and it has turned really beneficial for me because if we order a book or if we buy a book, then it will cost us money, and the books are really expensive. So if I read them from my phone, then it is a lot easier. I can carry the book in my pocket. I can carry the information in my pocket, and I can read the book in my house, and I can get knowledge. So, how do you think we can increase the use of computer in educational field?
By telling students about those things which you just said, and that smart boards are also so
Yeah, we
they
can
can
use
also be used.
smart boards. We can make presentations there. We can do PowerPoint. Students can learn how to make PowerPoints, and we can send Gmails and emails to other friends to teachers. We can increase online classes. So I think in the coming 20 years, we will be carrying note the for the tablets instead of the notebooks. So I think it will be really easy if we use computer more in educational field. So now that we know that computer has changed a lot, the computer has been modernized. It is on. So what are the changes you see in computer when you were 6 years old to now?
When I was 6 years old, I used to play Snake game in keypad phone, and now I used to play Free Fire, PUBG, etc. in smartphone, and we can talk to our friend by video calling.
Yeah. And I used to play F1 race and there were not games that were very entertaining, but nowadays we can play a lot of games.
Yeah, the computer has drastically changed. When I was 6 years old, there used to be television that were really fat and they had a lot of wires and it was such a hassle to put them into place, and there was a possibility of electricity fuse or something dangerous. But now I think it is more systematic and safer than it used to be. And I think it has changed in a lot of fields in social media and physically, and the softwares and even the use of computer is different from when I was just 6 years old. So how do you think what changes will appear in computers in our world because of computer in the coming years?
I think now there is AI and many other things, so they are more accurate than humans. They work better than humans. So I think they replace the jobs of humans.
Because they didn't repeat the errors of human again and again.
Yeah, probably in coming 15 years, there won't be any humans in the shop, the grocery store, the restaurants, the hotels. There will be AIs all over the place. It is kind of sad that humans will lose their job opportunity, but maybe we are meant to be more skilled than AI. So in this time and age, we have to prove to be greater than AI to fit in this world, to show our skill. So thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.